on an adventure today. We're in Monterey. It's pretty nice outside. If you listen carefully, you can hear the sea lions barking. Do you see them? There's sea lions and sea otters out there. Tons of them. You'll see them, they're kind of like little black rocks floating in the water. You guys, you can see how the little flowers are starting to grow. There's some pretty places right here. It's gonna be pretty soon. Look how pretty the water is there. You guys see the seal? There's a seal on that big rock right above my finger.
So cute.
I know, you can see him moving around. Isn't that cute?
Oh my goodness. Look how big he is.
He's so happy. He's like, give me the ocean, give me the ocean. But it's not the same ocean. He doesn't care. He's like, just give me the ocean. There's the tide coming in. He's like so happy. It's so cool with the tide out. There's just so much to see. The rocks are really pretty actually. They're like 3 colors. Look at the rocks, you guys. Look at the cracks in the rocks. It's so neat looking here. David just found that. That's kind of cool, huh, buddy?
Yeah.
Monterey's a different kind of beach. It's beautiful in its own right. Gorgeous, really. But it's cold. That came from deep in the ocean. You want to pop it? There you go. Is it a big crab? Oh, I think I see him. Michael's brave. He's definitely master crab hunter.
It looks like a heart.
Oh, that is a cute rock. This crab's walking right here, look. Wow, let me see.
Soft and mushy, you should feel that.
Look at the shape of it.
I know.
It's really pointy.
Oh
my gosh. Oh, it's purple and green. Oh, that was cool. Oh my gosh, that scared me.
What is it?
It's a pretty shell.
That's cute. There's another cute shell.
Wow, we're finding all kinds of shells here.
We got this cool clam found.
Ah, that's pretty. That's a good
There's
one.
one on that side, green on that side. These don't look like crabs.
Michael, I found a big sea anemone for you to close. Look. Oh, that's a good one.
You see it? It's a nice big one for you to close.
Oh, yeah.
Did you get it?
I'll get the small one. That sea anemone is a skinny cat.
Is it slimy? Uh-oh, here comes a big wave. These tide pools are gonna close soon. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I'm walking away. Okay.
I'm not walking away.
Oh, Michael's brave. Suddenly the water's a little deeper here. It's like a foot, about 3 feet deep there. Pretty cool. This is actually really pretty, like coral and seaweed here. Because there's purple and greens, it's really pretty. I'm walking out to this ledge here and see what's down below here. Let's see if we can get a good look. This is a lot deeper by this rock. There's some really pretty sea life underwater here. You can see the seaweed just flowing. It's pretty colors too. It's like yellow, green, and red. I'm definitely not a fan of seaweed, especially when I'm swimming or stepping out on the beach. However, it's really pretty down here. It looks really nice. Oh, there he is.
There's 2. One right there.
That was really vibrant.
I just saw another one.
We've also come to realize that the Californian crabs are way better at hiding from us than the Hawaiian crabs. You can catch Hawaiian crabs like super easy, probably also because there's a lot more sand. In here we're like on rocks, but still, we can't catch like any big crabs here.
That's a good one.
Whoa, let me see, Zach. Wow.
Is it rainbow on the inside?
How
or red on the
pretty.
outside?
What a good shell. It's beautiful. Whoa. You're going to jump over that big area? That's deep.
Look at that.
Good job. I know. Isn't that Vana awesome? Look at this pretty, pretty Vana. And all those little crabs by it.
Drop it, let it jump.
Can you hear what you got?
You're right, David. It does look just like what you dug up in your fossil dig kit.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
I think it's a crinoid.
That's a really good find. Look at all this pretty purple Vana. You want to touch it?
So big. Mama, try touching it.
Do you want me to touch it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Pop it out with like a sharp thing. Look how pretty.
Wow. This practically looks like sand dunes. Look how cool this is. And there they are. That way. I know. There's Daddy and Owen. Here's a big wave coming in. Better watch out, Alyssa. Isn't this neat? Now the rock's all like bumpy, and we're literally just on the smooth rocks. This is cool. Okay, I'm going to attempt to jump all the way across. Ready, set, go! Ah, made it. There's a whole bunch of kelp growing down there. Wow, this is awesome. We're like way out here. Our car is way over there in the distance. Isn't it interesting how this rock cracked down the middle that far? Whoa! Did you hear that? That was cool. Looks like there's a really big cave under there, right back there. Wow. I know.
There's two, Alyssa.
Look at these big crabs. Yes, there's two. Chris is using his shoelace to see if one will come out.
Oh, it's like a blowhole.
I know, right? The waves are getting a little stronger here and we're getting some pretty cool action. Wow, you can hear it. That's so cool. Look how big that guy is. There's a baby one by him. We could probably pick him up though.
Whoa.
This is the first California crab we've got. Look at that guy.
Nice and pretty and purple. Wow.
He's pretty, isn't he?
We let him free.
Yep, there he is. Back in his habitat.
Oh, this one's small.
Isn't this cool? This whole beach we're on is like rocks instead of sand.
Look at this.
It's a big seaweed.
Oh, Poppy.
I used to love to pop those when I was a kid. Look how pretty. It's like so smooth here. There's a whole bunch of sea lions over there on the beach. They're kind of cute. We drove to Carmel and we're just gonna walk around and see the pretty little city. I don't know what I would do with these, but aren't these pretty?
If I had lost this one, I'd just get the drill and drill a hole through the top, then hook a needle through and drill the needle through the wall so it's like a decoration on my. You know what I would do?
Oh, it's pretty, isn't it? What would you do?
I'll put this in like the middle of your
Sparkly.
table. It feels like a little smaller, like a fruit bowl.
Uh-huh. It's really pretty.
We have an orange sheep in our backpack.
I think we found the place we were looking for. When Matt and I went on our honeymoon, we came to this little pretzel shop and we got a pretzel. So we were hoping to take the kids back.
Thought it was for sure on a different street, but right on the main street.
This shop.
Aren't these looking good? Want to see what you got? You guys got cookies. Let me find them. Okay. Chocolate chip.
Another chocolate.
Chocolate chip. Big cookies, huh? That
Oh,
one.
Snickers.
Whose is that one? That's yours, Michael.
Yeah, look. It's a hat.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah. And look, I got a cup.
And we got a pretzel.
Yeah, we got two. The one.
Is it good?
That's really good.
It's just as good as I remember it being. Everybody in my family is loving that picture.
Look at the water. And there's just actually a shadow for the...
Looks pretty awesome, huh? It's a pretty area down here.
Over there.
Everything's so cute here. All the little alleys, all the signs.
Look at that.
Look at all those hats. Look at this cute little building right here.
That's the hat shop by appointment only.
Wow, really?
Yeah. Look guys, I found a town map.
Oh, nice.
Has all the stores on it.
That's cool. Wow.
Sunglasses. I really want to get them.
You like them?
Yeah, I like how they're like how they
Green
have, like,
on the front?
yeah, they're like green and
That's cool. You like all those cars?
yes, I'm putting all the pieces in this car and all the bad guys cutting parts.
Oh, you're sorting them.
I'm wearing a shirt underneath and it definitely fits.
Oh, cute.
cute, huh?
Yeah. You want to get that?
Yeah.
That's cute. We'll get it. We're buying a bunch of shirts.
Thank you.
Oh,
Look what's
look
inside.
at little guy. Hi. Oh, look at you. Look at you going crazy. I'm trying to capture Owen's manly noises, but he's not doing them. Gah. Oh, you're talking? Oh my gosh. A triple airplane?
Oh wow. Looks like you're ready to land at
Wow.
Better be
That's a
careful.
good
If a strong
airplane.
breeze comes on, it might pick you up and you'll fly away with it. Oh.
That thing is so pretty. That thing is super pretty.
Hi.
Did you get a new hat?
Yeah.
Look how cute you look. Bye bye. Look at that cute baby in a
Oh,
hat.
don't take it off. Don't take it off.
Hi. You look so cute. Oh, you're gonna try to take it off. You can't take it off. He's not pulling it off anymore. I think he likes it. Chris is so brave.
Is that what you want?
Oh, the baby wants the sand. Of course he does. He's like, gimme, 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 gimme. That's what I love. Good job. Okay, we'll do it one more time.
Oh, he's got to pinch some up.
It's pretty fun. It's been a good day today, guys. Thanks for watching. We're gonna say goodbye for now. See you later. Were you able to find the hidden pineapple in today's video? If you did, be sure to leave a comment with the hashtag hidden pineapple so we can choose you for fan of the week.